हेलो एभ्रिवान वेलकम ब्याक टु माई न्यू भिडियो। आजको भिडियोमा चाहिँ हामी कोन र कोनिक सेक्सनको बारेमा जान्न गइरहेका छौँ। सो सुरु गरौँ। So cones and conic sections are fundamental geometric shapes with a rich history and numerous applications. Understanding them unlocks the mysteries of geometry and reveals hidden relationships between shapes and their properties. So now we're going to define the cone. A cone is a three-dimensional geometric shape formed by connecting all the points on a closed curve to a single point called vertex. कोन भनेको चाहिँ एउटा 3D जियोमेट्रिक सेप हो जुन चाहिँ एउटा क्लोज कर्भको सबै पोइन्ट्सलाई एउटा सिंगल पोइन्ट जुन चाहिँ भर्टेक्स भनिन्छ त्यसमा चाहिँ गएर जोइन हुन्छ, त्यहीबाट चाहिँ कोन फर्म हुन्छ। The following are the terms related to cone. So first one is semi-vertical angle. Semi-vertical angle is the half angle between the central axis and generator. Semi-vertical angle भनेको चाहिँ central axis र generator को बीचको half angle हो. The second one is vertex. The vertex is the apex of the cone where all the generator intersect. Vertex भनेको चाहिँ apex of the cone को apex हो जहाँ गएर चाहिँ सबै जेनेरेटर्स इंटरसेक्ट हुन्छ। Now third one is axis. The axis is the line passing through the vertex and center of the base. एक्सिस भनेको चाहिँ एउटा लाइन हो जुन चाहिँ भर्टेक्स र सेन्टर अफ द बेसबाट चाहिँ पास गर्छ। Now fourth one is generator. A generator is a line segment connecting the vertex to a point of the base. जेनेरेटर भनेको चाहिँ लाइन सेगमेन्ट हो जुन चाहिँ भर्टेक्सलाई एउटा पोइन्ट जुनै पनि पोइन्ट बेसको एउटा कुनै पोइन्टमा चाहिँ कनेक्ट हुन्छ। नम्बर 5 इज न्यापिज. द टु पार्ट्स अफ द कोन आर कल्ड न्यापिज. न्यापिज भनेको चाहिँ कोनको दुईवटा पार्ट हो। दे आर मिरर इमेजेस अफ इच अदर. उनीहरू चाहिँ एकअर्काको मिरर इमेज हुन्छ। एन्ड आर फर्मड बाई एक्सटेन्डिङ जेनेरेटर्स इन अपोजिट डिरेक्सन. उनीहरू चाहिँ जेनेरेटरलाई एक्सटेन्ड गरेर अपोजिट डिरेक्सनमा एक्सटेन्ड गरेर फर्म भएको हुन्छ। So now we are going to define the conic section. On intersecting a right circular cone by a plane in different position, different sections so obtained are called conic section or conics. एउटा राइट सर्कुलर कोनलाई चाहिँ डिफ्रेन्ट पोजिसन डिफ्रेन्ट सेक्सन्समा इन्टरसेक्ट गरिन्छ र त्योबाट फर्म भएको जुन रिजल्ट चाहिँ फर्म हुन्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ कोनिक सेक्सन अथवा कोनिक्स भनिन्छ। The shape of conic section depends on the position of the intersecting plane with respect to cone and by the angle made by it with the axis of cone. The conic section को shape चाहिँ the position of intersecting plane जुन पोजिसनमा त्यो कोनलाई इन्टरसेक्ट गरेको छ त्यसमा चाहिँ डिपेन्ड हुन्छ। The following are the basic types of conic sections. Number 1 is circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. So let us learn about conic section. Circle. A circle is formed when a plane intersects a conic section. A circle is formed when a plane intersects the cone perpendicular the axis, passing through the center of the base. This intersection creates a perfectly round shape with all points equidistant from the center. एउटा सर्कल चाहिँ तब फर्म हुन्छ जब एउटा प्लेन चाहिँ इन्टरसेक्ट गरेको हुन्छ परपेन्डिकुलरको द एक्सिससँग परपेन्डिकुलर बनाएर जब एउटा प्लेनलाई इन्टरसेक्ट गरिन्छ त्यो चाहिँ सर्कल फर्म हुन्छ। जब त्यो इन्टरसेक्सन हुन्छ र त्यसको रिजल्ट आउँछ इन्टरसेक्सन भइसकेपछि चाहिँ एउटा पर्फेक्टली राउन्ड सेप क्रिएट हुन्छ जुन त्यो सेपको चाहिँ सबै पोइन्ट चाहिँ सेन्टरसँग इक्विडिस्टेन्ट हुन्छ, मतलब एउटै इक्वल डिस्टेन्समा हुन्छ। So next one is parabola. A parabola is formed when a plane intersects the cone parallel to one of its generators. Parabola चाहिँ तब फर्म हुन्छ जब एउटा प्लेन चाहिँ इन्टरसेक्ट गरिन्छ parallel to one of its generator. In other words, when a cutting plane is inclined to the axis such that it is parallel to the generator of the cone, then the section so obtained is called a parabola. So next one is ellipse. Section of right circular cone cut by a plane not parallel to any generator and not parallel or perpendicular to the axis of the cone is called ellipse. In other words, when a cutting plane is inclined at some angle to the axis of the cone, then the section so formed is called ellipse. So the next one is hyperbola. When the double cone is cut into a plane parallel to the axis, we get hyperbola. In other words, when cutting of the plane is inclined to the axis such that it also cuts the other part of the double cone, the section is called hyperbola. So at last we are going to talk about applications of cone and conic section. Cones and conic sections are not just abstract mathematical concepts but have many practical applications in real world. These shapes are found in everything from architecture and engineering to astronomy and optics. No satellite dishes, parabolic reflectors concentrate radio waves from a distant satellite, allowing for better reception. Next one is architectural structure. Parabolic arcs are used in bridges and buildings for their strength and stability. Ep- Elliptical shapes create interesting architectural elements. Next one is gears and machinery. Circular gears are essential components in machinery, enabling efficient power transmission and movement. Next one is astronomy. The paths of comets around the sun are elliptical. Hyperbolas are involved in the calculation of orbital trajectories. By saying this much, I want to thank you all for listening to my presentation.